In case you missed it, I am participating in the Oiltober painting challenge, a challenge where I have been painting every day in oil paints for the month of October. Last week I shared with you the paintings from week 1, and this week I'm excited to be back again sharing with you the week 2 paintings. It was raining on day 8, so I felt inspired to paint it. I really love watching the raindrops falling on the rain and just looking at all the mirrored reflections in the raindrops. And also rain, I love rain. It's sort of my favorite weather, and I also love autumn for that reason. All the colors and the rain, it just makes it so perfect and my favorite season. I haven't painted it that much in the past. I've only painted it twice, but I really enjoyed it this time, and I ended up painting it more later on in the week. There we have it, day 8. Day 9, I wanted to paint a succulent. Someone gifted us a succulent recently, and I've just been enjoying taking care of it so much. I love all the beautiful colors and how they blend, so I really felt inspired to paint it. And I had a lot of fun for this painting. It was just so relaxing to blend all of the colors together. Here it is, the completed painting for day 9. So unfortunately, day 10's footage was either lost or was not filmed, so I don't know what happened, but here it is, the completed painting. This was actually a scene I saw in Vancouver Island last summer. I loved how the clouds were so low and the mist in the air, and I took a photo of it and I wanted to paint it at some point, and I finally got around painting it and had a lot of fun with this one, so here it is. So for day 11's painting, I really wasn't sure where I was going to go with this painting. I just sort of went with the flow, as I've been enjoying doing that a lot in this challenge. And so I started painting with a cityscape, and then I had this image of this lamppost in my mind that I'd seen somewhere, and I just felt like painting it. So at the end, this painting is not exactly referenced from a place. I just sort of mashed together a bunch of reference photos and created a painting from my imagination. It's not very often that I paint from imagination. I always have a reference image I look at because I'm trying to get as realistic as possible. So this was a lot of fun to paint like that. Here it is, the completed day 11 painting. This one has a very autumny feel. For day 12, I painted another rainy window. Had a lot of fun with this one actually. I really enjoyed blending all the colors together. It's a little bit different from my first rainy window. That one, the droplets were more defined. This one, they're sort of running down the window. So this was a lot of fun, something different, but I really enjoyed it, especially blending those colors. Here it is, day 12. I really love how this one turned out. For day 13, I wanted to paint a sunflower. My family and I recently moved to a new place, and our neighbors have really tall sunflowers, and throughout the summer I really enjoyed looking at them, and finally I was able to capture them in this painting. I especially enjoyed painting the background on this one. The purple versus the the yellow, I love how they complement each other. It really stands out, and that's probably one of my favorite things about this painting. And I completed day 13 painting. I had so much fun with this one. For day 14, I painted a wave because I really could not go the entire week without painting water. I love painting water so much, and this wave was so much fun to paint. I unfortunately lost a little bit of the footage at the end, but I really enjoyed painting this one. It was a lot of fun. Here it is, day 14's painting. Here are all of the completed paintings from this week. Let me know down below which ones you like best. I hope that you've been enjoying this little series I've been doing. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for future videos and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post the next one. And follow me on Instagram. I've been posting there every day as I paint these paintings. Other than that, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.